Welcome to this week's PBL lesson, Understanding Different Views. Our PBL focus this week is that I can learn to respect that other people might see my behaviour differently than I do. We are learning to think about how others view our behaviour. After this lesson, you should be able to say one way others might feel about your behaviour, think about your behaviour, and talk about your behaviour. You should also be able to say how you might feel about your own behaviours. Last week, we learned about expected and unexpected behaviours. Remember, when we're in the eating area at school, it is expected that we put our rubbish in the bin. An unexpected behaviour would be throwing our rubbish on the ground. This week, we are learning about how our unexpected behaviours can affect people around us. It's okay to experience all of the zones. Sometimes, the way we behave in some of the zones can affect how others see us. For example, when I'm in the yellow zone feeling silly and trying to talk to other children in class, other children might feel confused around me. They might think that they do not want to work with me, and they might say, "I'm annoyed." I might feel embarrassed about my behaviour. For each zone, we will think about how others view our behaviour and how we feel about our own behaviour. When I am in the green zone and my behaviour is expected, other children might feel happy and safe around me. Other children might be thinking, "Joe is nice to be around," or "I can do my learning." Other children might say, "Would you like to play with me?" or "You are a good friend to me." Based on my behaviour and these reactions to it, how might you feel? I know that I would feel proud and I would feel happy. Circle how you would feel. When I am in the blue zone and my behaviour is unexpected, other children might feel sad and worried about me. Other children might be thinking, "Why are they so sad?" What's something else other children might be thinking? Pause the video now. Other children might say, "You look sad." What's something else that other children might say? Pause the video now. When I'm in the blue zone and my behaviour is unexpected, other children might feel sad and worried around me. Other children might be thinking, "Why are they so sad?" What's something else they might be thinking? Pause the video now. They might be thinking, "What's wrong?" Other children might say, "You look sad." What's something else they might say? Pause the video now. They might say, "Are you okay?" Based on my behaviour in the blue zone, that would be unexpected. How might you feel? I would feel a bit uncomfortable, and I would feel a bit depressed. You might feel something different, and that's okay. What about the yellow zone? When I'm in the yellow zone and my behaviour is unexpected, other children might feel nervous and unsafe around me. Other children might be thinking, "I don't want to be around you." Other children might say, "I don't want to be here." Pause the video now and see if you can add to this. What else might other children be thinking, and what might they say? Other children might be thinking, "I'm a bit nervous." Or they might say, "Stop being silly." Based on my unexpected behaviour in the yellow zone, how might you feel about yourself? Pause the video now. I might feel a bit sad that my behaviour is affecting others. I might feel a bit annoyed with myself that I'm not making safe choices. When I'm in the red zone and my behaviour is unexpected, other children might feel frightened and unsafe around me. Other children might be thinking, what will happen next? Other children might say, stop, don't. Pause the video now and see if you can add to the poster. What else might other children be thinking and what might they say? Other children might say, I need to go. Other children might be thinking, I feel unsafe. Based on my unexpected behaviour in the red zone, how might I feel about my own behaviour now? Pause the video and think about it. I know that I might feel sad that my behaviour is affecting others. I might feel nervous if I'm not making safe choices in the red zone. What's going to happen? What will the consequences of my behaviour be? You might feel something different about your behaviour and your choices, and that's okay. Remember, all emotions are okay. We are responsible for managing our emotions, and this means managing our behaviour. When we behave in unexpected ways, this can change how other people feel around us and think about us. It can also change how we think about ourselves. How do you want to think about yourself?